Hey everyone, it's Abid, and welcome to this guide to digital marketing. You've probably heard this term, but what does it mean? How can it help you achieve your business goals? We'll break down everything you need to know, from core concepts to strategies. Whether you're a beginner or need a refresher, this video is for you. So grab your notepad, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Digital marketing connects with your target audience online. Reach them where they spend most of their time. Websites, social media, emails. Unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing offers precision. Target specific demographics, interests, behaviors, and retarget users who interacted with your brand. Now that you understand the what and the why of digital marketing, let's explore the how. There are numerous types of digital marketing strategies, each with its strengths and ideal applications. Some of the most popular and effective types include content marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, and affiliate marketing. Don't worry, we'll delve into each of these in more detail throughout this video, so you can determine which strategies align best with your business objectives. Content marketing is the foundation of a successful digital marketing strategy. It's about creating valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage your target audience. Instead of pitching products, provide helpful information that addresses your audience's pain points. This includes blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, and more. Create high-quality content that resonates and keeps your audience coming back. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the practice of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, like Google. When someone searches for a keyword related to your business website to appear at the top. The higher you rank, the more visible you are to potential customers. SEO involves keyword research, on-page optimization, and technical SEO. Pay-per-click, PPC advertising is a highly effective way to drive targeted traffic to your website quickly. With PPC, you bid on keywords related to your business, and your ads appear at the top or bottom of search engine results pages. The beauty of PPC is that you only pay when someone clicks on your ad, making it a cost-effective way to reach potential customers actively searching for products or services like yours. Popular PPC platforms include Google Ads, Bing Ads, and social media advertising platforms like Facebook Ads and Instagram Ads. Social media marketing is all about connecting with your audience where they hang out. On social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more, it's about building relationships, fostering a community around your brand, and engaging with your audience through compelling content, contests, polls, and interactive elements. Social media marketing can help you increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, generate leads, and even make sales directly through social commerce features. Email marketing remains one of the most effective digital marketing strategies, even in today's mobile-first world. It allows you to nurture leads, build relationships, and drive sales by delivering valuable content and offers directly to your subscribers' inboxes. The key to successful email marketing is to segment your audience, personalize your messages, and provide value with every email you send. This could include newsletters, product updates, promotional offers, event invitations, and more. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you reward affiliates for driving traffic or sales to your business. Affiliates can be bloggers, influencers, other businesses, or anyone with an audience that aligns with your target market. You provide affiliates with unique tracking links, and they promote your products or services to their audience. When someone clicks on their link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. Affiliate marketing can be a highly effective way to expand your reach, tap into new audiences, and drive sales without significant upfront costs. So there you have it, a comprehensive overview of digital marketing. We've covered the fundamentals and explored various strategies. Remember, digital marketing is an ongoing process of learning and adapting. Don't be afraid to try new things and track your results. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more.